In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from your Shopify store. Removing apps can help streamline your online business and improve overall site performance, so it's essential to know how to manage them effectively. Let's get started with the updated process for 2025. First, you need to access your Shopify admin page, open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. Here, you'll want to log into your account to access the admin panel of your store. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the My Store homepage within the Shopify dashboard. The navigation is straightforward, and you should be on the main page where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now take a look on the left-hand menu and click on the Settings option. The Settings menu is your control center for adjusting every part of your Shopify store's configuration, from products to checkout preferences to billing details, and most importantly for us today, to apps management. Once in the settings menu, look for the apps and sales channels option. Clicking this will bring you to a page that displays all the apps you currently have installed on your Shopify store. This section helps you see at a glance not just what apps are installed, but also if any updates or configurations might be necessary to improve their integration and functionality. You're now in the right place to manage your apps. The next step is to select the specific app or apps you're considering removing. Scroll through your list of installed apps and identify the one you want to uninstall. It's important to do a quick check on these apps to ensure they are the ones actually impacting your store if you're looking to enhance efficiency or remove unused clutter. After selecting the app, you'll see a small three-dot icon next to it. This icon is usually found on the right side of the app name. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu presents different options related to the app, including the one we're interested in today, the uninstall option. Finally, all you need to do is click uninstall from the drop-down menu. Shopify will prompt you to confirm that you really want to uninstall the app. Once confirmed, the app will be removed from your store. Always double check to ensure that app removal doesn't negatively impact essential functions or integrations within your site. And there you have it, you've successfully removed an app from your Shopify store. This process helps keep your store focused and efficient. Remember, managing your store's backend effectively can lead to a smoother customer experience and potentially higher sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.